Why you and Kaya break up?
After mom.
It sound like you be saying Octomom, man. You ain't got nothing in common with her. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, you said ask her mom. Oh, okay, okay. Now I get it. I get the babble language. I have no idea. I don't want to ask her mom. Her mom is kind of weird. She be on something. Where your other Jordans at? You lost the other Jordans?
What?
You lost your other shoes?
No.
You lost your shoes, your White Sox hat? Give me a hold, son. How much money you got? Let me see. How much money you got, man?
Here's my bucket.
Give me a couple dollars. Give me $5. I ain't talking about no stick, boy. Where my money at? I ain't talking about no stick. Where my money at, boy? Huh?
Where?
Where my money at? Where my money at, boy?